Hello everyone, only the repair dude is here again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to jailbreak A7 devices such as iPad mini 2, iPad Air 1 and iPhone 5s that have been downgraded to iOS 10.3.3 and bypassed. As you can see, I have an iPhone 5s that I previously downgraded to iOS 10.3.3 and bypassed in the previous video. Let's get started with the tutorial. The first step is to open Safari, search totally no spyware. Sorry, my fat thumbs. Tap this search result. It predicted that totally no spyware. Slide for spyware, which to jailbreak the device. Just slide to jailbreak. By the way, this exploit is super unreliable. It may take many tries before you succeed. Now, this is a sign of failure. Not to worry, I'll try again. This may take many tries, so I'll be prepared that this will fail many times. The subsequent part of the video will be sped up. And it succeeds. Kernel has been pawned. Noot. By the way, you can choose either one of it. For me, I'll just tap double helix. Pick any one of the jailbreak part. I'll just tap double helix. Let it install the bootstrap. This will take some time. Leave it there and wait. It was reloaded. Let's see whether CDR was installed. And there we have it. And let the phone respring first. Go back home. And there you have it, CDR. Let's open CDR and see whether it works. CDR is working. And congratulations, you just jailbroken the iPhone in the bypass state on iOS 10.3.3. If you reboot the device, you will have to redo the jailbreak process to get CDR back working. I really hope you enjoy this tutorial. Please like, share and comment on my video, subscribe to my channel and please do donate. The link to donate is in the description below and see you in the next video.